Hi, my name is Arun. I'm an artist. As most of the artists, I also started drawing and painting from a very young age, and I still do it. Just 1 or 2 years back, I picked up an interest in watercolors again, because at that time I realized that watercolor is much more complex. At the same time, when you see a watercolor painting, you find it extremely simple and beautiful. But the process of making a watercolor painting is really complex, and I was drawn to that complexity, and ever since I'm doing only watercolors. I have realized that if you want to do watercolor properly, then you should know the flow of water, and actually that I've got captivated by that idea, and I hope that I will be able to, of course, to learn how water flows. So that is my intention. That's all. Thank you very much.